Telegram mini apps, a new source of traffic and revenue.
Hi guys, so I was not sure that this is my place, but thank you. So today we're gonna talk about the Telegram mini apps, and as far as I get, I have been here for a couple of hours already, and not all the people know about that, so maybe it's some new information for you. I hope it will be enjoyable. So the first question is, why Telegram is the perfect platform to promote your business? And I guess that the answer is right here in this place. So can you please raise your hands who is using Telegram on a daily basis? A lot of people, thank you. And actually, apart from Telegram being very comfortable and very convenient messenger, one of the best in the world, that we use in work, that we use in chatting and stuff like that, just like a couple of figures about that. So more than 1 billion users there, and the mini apps environment is right inside the Telegram, and you don't need to download something, you don't need to register anywhere, you don't need to have even the phone to play some games or to use this application right now. And the interface for that is very intuitively understandable, comprehensible, so everyone in the world can use that. And most probably you've heard much hype about this hamster combat. Everybody, like half of the world was tapping this hamster. So like this is the thing we will be talking about today. So speaking about what TMA is, I would like you to imagine just like the common applications, the common games that you use right now, where you're promoting every day, all the iGaming applications and stuff. So this is the same thing, but on HTML5 directly in your Telegram application. And of course, it is cross-platform, so like you can use it on PC, on whatsoever, on Android, on Apple, and you can just share this application with just forward the address of the ID, and it goes straight to the point. So as I have mentioned, so you don't need to log in there, you don't need to register, you don't need to do anything with that. It has a downside, however, because register is data, and like Telegram is a decentralized system, so they don't want their users to to flash all the information about them. So have pretty small, but the very essential one. And of course, we have the minimal traffic loss because of we don't have actually the login process there. Actually, TMA is something about virality, and it's something about easy to distribute. So how it works? So they usually use their referral programs. So we can call it affiliate programs here to make it more understandable. They use some challenges, leaderboards, some Discord chats, so whatsoever. This community is very dedicated. And you know what? I have seen for this recent 6 months the guys who are calling themselves right now a Web3 gamers. So they only use Web3 for their entertainment, and as you know, this is not only an entertainment, but some applications allow them to earn, actually. So this is something that it's based on. And like taking into consideration why we're here and what audience we're looking for, it has pretty much similar DNA with the iGaming in general. And as for the cost of engagement and stuff, so as I have mentioned, so this is a very viral thing. This is based on memes, this is based on some funny stuff, this is based on the information that people are sharing with each other in chats, and like make it kind of hype here. And we are being an ad network, I'm not very happy with that, but we can, we can attract more efficient players because we know the essential information about them. And the most essential is their wallet and how much money they have there, so we can target them accordingly. As for the communication with the audience, actually it uses the inbuilt mechanics of the Telegram. So these are the push-ups that you get from, not from your friend, but from the application saying, hey man, you have forgotten about me, so why don't you come back? You can have the real-time feedback there. Also, there are bots inside this ecosystem that help to sell, that help to answer questions and to make the support feature. And you can use also the channels dedicated to your own application as a media resource. So you can promote the new features there, you can make co-promotions, you can sell within your traffic in your channels. So you're pretty much free how you can operate with your audience. Speaking about some cases here, we cannot share the name of a client, but I can tell you that they're among us right now. And for now, the formats that we like AdsGram are promoting, I mean the metrics, is only CPM and CPC. But very soon we're going to change the metrics for CPI, CPA, and whatsoever. And the big news and the big thing actually here is that AdsGram is going to be the first in the entire world Web3 platform that will be able to connect the classical Web2 via CPA. Because right now we are integrating with the major MMPs like AppsFlyer, Adjust, you know them all. And once we get this set on, we will be able to provide the CPA models for you to buy traffic more efficiently. And this is the case about the iGaming, and this is one of the cases about the Telegram mini apps. So they promote each other within themselves. So this is something that is growing very rapidly. This is something where the big guys are appearing this week and they're disappearing the next week. It is a very, very, alive and raging atmosphere there. And like the DNA again of those audience and all the platform is very, very much familiar to what we are actually discussing today. Speaking about the key features of AdsGram as an ad platform, so apart from the things that I have already mentioned, what I wanted to emphasize is that the formats that we use there is absolutely something that everybody got used to. So these are all the interstitials, all the videos, all the full screens, so what you got used to, but within different ecosystem, but it works absolutely the same. We're able to actually make some advanced mechanics there, but this for now only refers to TMA themselves. So pretty soon we will evolve this into, as I have mentioned, the connection between Web 2 and Web 3. And we have very big hopes for that for this year. Speaking about the geos and how many users are there, so right now it's around 7 million users. And talking about the key geos and benchmarks, so actually we have everything. The specifics of Telegram is that it is not very strong in tier 1 and tier 2 countries, because it doesn't have a pretty good reputation there, as you know why. But we're pretty strong in Asia, we're pretty strong in CIS countries, of course, we're growing in Africa, and we're right now growing in Southeast Asia. So if you can imagine, for example, in Indonesia, 70% of the population is playing TMA games. This is something, that mind-blowing, I think. And actually, as I have mentioned, all the formats are pretty much simple, pretty much comprehensible, and the good news about that, it is much and much cheaper than you can buy it whatsoever in Web 2 for now. So we're working on it. I guess that I have 1 minute to ask you questions if you got some. Nobody is brave enough? Okay. So we have a booth here, right there around near the exit. So come up and we'll be very glad to hear you. Oh, sorry, we have a question here. No. Okay, come up to me after that. Guys, thank you very much. And thank you very much, Sigma, for this opportunity to see all those beautiful people. And have a good hunt, everybody. Cheers.